I am here with a video for you related to your project and practical. Okay, as I have already mentioned in the group, out of the 3-4 project, any one you have to do. Okay, and for doing, few of the students were inquiring me that in what file, what is the size of the file you will be using. So I am showing you that, you see, in class 10 up to class 10 standard you have made such kind of file, the file size of this kind. Okay, now in class 12 for geography you will make big file. Is that clear? Bigger than this. Is that clear? Is that clear? So that is about the file, and what you have to do is you will maintain only one file for the project and practical both. Okay, for project and practical you will make only one file. Okay, project is already given to you. After that you have to choose any one and do it along with the photographs. Okay, okay, what if you want to, if you are choosing. Now next is practical. Among all the practicals, that means 5 to 6 practicals are there in your class 11 syllabus, and this time we are going to do only one. Okay, as per the council norms. So out of the 4 to 5 practicals we are going to do one. So for practical, what we are going to do? We are going to do map projection. Okay, this year we are going to do map projection. Now what is map projection? Okay, the definition says a map projection is a means of representing the lines of latitude and longitude of the globe on a flat sheet of paper. Okay, that means map projection is helping us to mark accurate latitude and longitude, okay, on the flat piece of paper. Is that clear? As we know that Earth is of spherical shape, and when we are drawing it on a flat piece of paper, okay, this map projection is helping us. So before that, before the doing map projection, let me make it clear with the 2 points. What are latitude? Today what we were saying, latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines. Okay, imaginary horizontal lines running from west to east direction. It is parallel to each other. That's it. And what are longitudes? Imaginary vertical lines. Okay, which are intersecting each other, running from north to south. North to south. Okay, but what actually latitude is? If I am talking about latitude, you see here, if this is 0 degree, that is equator. 0 degree, that is equator. Okay, so latitudes are showing distance from the equator towards the north and towards the south. So distance from the equator in terms of degrees, 1 degree, 2 degree, like that, up to 90 degree. Is that clear? Is that clear? When we are doing it in a spherical base, okay, in a spherical base, it is showing us distance from the equator towards the north and towards the south, towards the north and towards the south. Is that clear? Is that clear? And what are longitudes? Longitudes are showing distance from the prime meridian. Distance from the prime meridian, that is 0 degree, towards the east, and this is towards the west. Okay, so on total we have 181 latitudes and 360 longitudes. Is that clear? 360 longitudes. Now, so that is about the latitude and longitude. Now we will go for the classification of map projection. Okay, so map projection can be classified into 2 main types. One is on the basis of their characteristics, another one is on the basis of their method of formation. Okay, so for this practical work we will be dealing with the method of formation. For the knowledge, you just keep it in mind that on the basis of these characteristics, okay, of their characteristics, the map projection can be divided into 4 main types. Number 1 is homolographic. Okay, what does this mean? That means it deals with the equal area. It deals with the equal area of the graticule. Graticule means the distance from one longitude to another longitude and one latitude to another latitude will be same. Okay, this area will be same throughout the map. Okay, suppose if the breadth is increasing, then length will be decreasing, and the area will get same. Is that clear? Area will get same. So that's why this is known as homolographic. Okay, or equal area of graticule. Next is orthomorphic. Orthomorphic deals with the true shape. Okay, true shape generally is made for the small area. Next is azimuthal. Azimuthal is based upon the true direction. It deals with the true direction, that is one place to another place is in the proper or exact direction. And last one is equidistance. Equidistance is the most main type of this map projection based on their characteristics. That's why, because it is made on the map of scale. Okay, this equidistance map projection is making map on the basis of their scale. That is, whatever the globe the distance are present and that are converted into proper scale and placed in a map. Is that clear? Placed in a map. Is that clear? Now classification based upon the method of formation. What you have to do? Classification based upon the method of formation. So among that there are four main. Okay, in that there are four main types of map projection. Number one is cylindrical, two conical, third zenithal, and the last one is conventional. Okay, now let's move on to cylindrical projection. What is cylindrical projection? Suppose if the globe, okay, the Earth's model, if the globe is upon the globe, if a paper is placed throughout the globe, okay, throughout the globe, if the paper is placed like this, that means it takes the shape of a cylinder. It takes the shape of a cylinder, as you are seeing. And when we are marking these points on that paper, okay, we are marking this point, that means these longitudes, okay, and latitude, okay, and when we are opening that paper and it is becoming a flat base, it comes like this. This AB line, that means this AB line comes as equator. What? Equator. Okay, as equator. And this is coming as prime meridian, that is 0 degree, 10 like this, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 180 degree east, and again from 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 180 degree west. So likewise we are doing the cylindrical projection. Next one is conical. Suppose if a cone is placed from the top of the globe, okay, from the top of the globe, and we are getting one standard wherever the cone touches it first. Suppose this is the place where this cone touches it first. This will be named as a standard parallel, okay, and after that the last one, okay, where the cone touches the last, where it is touching the last, when last one will be the end part of this, that is 180 degree, and where the middle, the vertex of the cone touches the middle of this meridian, that will be the standard meridian or central meridian. As when we are going to draw this on this paper, it will be coming like this. So this will be the central meridian and this will be the standard parallel which is touching the cone at first. Is that clear? So this is conical projection. There are different formulas to find out the distance between one degree to another degree, okay, not only in this but also in this. When we are going to do for the sum, we will be knowing that. The third one is zenithal projection. Okay, what is zenithal projection? Zenithal projection, when a paper is placed upon the globe, flat paper, okay, is placed upon the globe, that means, and this zenithal projection is mostly made for the polar regions, okay, mostly made for the polar region. So that's why it is known as zenithal polar zenithal projection, okay. And when it is placed upon the globe, then it is coming, the shape is coming like this: 90 degree west, 90 degree east, 180 degree north, 180 degree longitude and 0 degree 180 degree latitudes and 0 degree latitude. So it's coming. So this is for the polar region. And the last one is conventional portion. That is because this portion is done with the help of derivation of mathematical formulas, okay. So that's it. They are the four main types of map position based upon the method of formation. Now in the next class I will be giving you the one question related to that map projection. We will be solving it and then our practical will be finished. Now one more important thing I would like to tell you, that before starting the practical, what you have to do, you have to mention the two headings, that is number one is project, number one is, suppose in the first page of this practical sheet, what you will do, there will be content sheet, no, content, here you will write as project, your first point will be project, then whatever things we have done accordingly page number wise you will write the topics and page numbers, then remark. Okay, then next the second one you will write as practical. What? Practical, the work I will be giving you by underlining the book. Okay, and then practical, then what are the practicals you are topics you are doing, and the page number, then remark. Is that clear? So like that we will be doing. So hope you understood well. Thank you very much, student.